Garmin has unveiled its latest addition to the Fenix series, the Garmin Fenix 8 smartwatch. This release follows 2 years after the launch of the Fenix 7, a model praised for its top-notch navigation, mapping, and fitness tracking capabilities. The Fenix 7 has remained a strong competitor in the smartwatch market, often compared to newer models like the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. In this video, we'll explore how the Fenix 8 stacks up against its predecessor in terms of design, battery life, activity tracking, and more. The Garmin Fenix 8 is available in 5 distinct variations, including 3 AMOLED models, 43, 47, and 51 mm, and 2 solar charging models, 47 and 51 mm. Pricing for the Fenix 8 starts at $1,000 for the 43 mm version, $1,099 for the 47 mm version, and goes up to $1,199 for the 51 mm model. In comparison, the Garmin Fenix 7 comes in Standard, Solar, and Sapphire Solar editions. The Standard edition is available in 42 and 47 mm sizes, starting at $649. The Solar version is offered in a 51 mm size at $899, while the Sapphire Solar edition is available in 47 mm for $799 and 51 mm for $899. Garmin has enhanced the durability of the Fenix 8, making it even more suitable for outdoor adventures than its predecessor. The Fenix 8 features a new sensor guard for additional sensor protection, along with leak-proof metal buttons. Like the Fenix 7, it also offers a titanium bezel option and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal display, ideal for those facing harsh conditions. A notable addition to the Fenix 8 is its built-in flashlight, which can be incredibly useful in low-light situations, such as during a late-night run. The flashlight features multiple modes to help illuminate your path. The Fenix 8 is the first in the series to offer an AMOLED display option. AMOLED technology provides deeper blacks and better contrast, while also conserving battery life since black pixels do not need to be lit. The solar charging models also see improvements, with the 51 mm version offering 50% more solar power compared to the Fenix 7. For the first time, the Fenix 8 includes a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing users to make calls directly from their wrist and use voice commands such as start a strength training activity or save waypoint without needing a phone connection. This feature can be particularly useful during intense workouts, where navigating menus might be inconvenient. Additionally, the Garmin Fenix 8 introduces dive capabilities to the series. The smartwatch is now dive-rated to a depth of 40 meters, supported by leak-proof metal buttons and a specially designed case. It also comes equipped with activity tracking modes for both scuba diving and apnea diving, enhancing its versatility for underwater adventures. In terms of battery life, the Garmin Fenix 8 offers impressive performance, with up to 95 days in GPS mode and 149 days with solar, compared to the Fenix 7's 57 days and 73 days with solar. In smartwatch mode, the Fenix 8 provides up to 30 days or 48 days with solar, whereas the Fenix 7 offers up to 18 days or 22 days with solar. Overall, the Garmin Fenix 8 represents a significant upgrade over the Fenix 7, introducing features like an AMOLED display, voice commands, and new activity modes, making it a compelling choice for both everyday users and adventure enthusiasts. So, that was our take on Garmin Fenix 8 versus 7. Do share your thoughts with us. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.